New day, new plan. I took 2 trades today. Day done. Uh, 9:13 a.m. That's awfully early to be day done, but I'm stick with the plan. However, major change in my trading today. Same strategies, but trading one contract of the micros today. Why? Because I'm getting ready to switch over to the NQ, and the way TopStep has their rules set up for a 50K account, I don't see any possible way to enter into a trade with more than one contract. Doesn't mean I can't press one later in the trade that's going my direction, but that's not for now. Tomorrow, I plan on trading one contract, big boys, NQ. How I've done this, what I have changed is going by the TopStep rules here on their drawdown. Now, one NQ contract, 20 points or $20 per point. If you're trading one NQ contract, TopStep's putting a 50-point stop on that trade. That's $1,000. So they'll stop you out if you hit that. So I'm trading with a 50-point stop. Now, I didn't do it today. My plan in the future is, I had the trade set up to do this. That's a enter in with 50-point stop. Once it's 10 points in the money, you go ahead and pull me an auto break even plus one tick, cover my commissions, and then trail point for point after that. I didn't do that this morning because I took so much heat on the first trade. I took a lot of heat, 30-something points worth of heat. And so, but I ended up closing that one out for profit, and I didn't need a whole lot to get day done, so I closed the other one out right at day done, just over day done, which for me is going to be $500, which is what, 25 points. So I'm going right now. That's my rule. So I got that. I got a little over 25 points today on the micro. Tomorrow we're going to try the NQ. As usual, my market analysis is right, and my timing is horrible for getting involved. I talk about that a little bit in the video. What I think I did wrong. I ignored a double top, and that's not good. So anyhow, if you're interested in checking out TopStep and their program, I appreciate it if you use my affiliate link below. Be sure and hit the like button, subscribe, tell someone about this channel. I sure would appreciate it. And I hope you guys have a good trading day. Okay, today it's 7 o'clock, 7 a.m. Central Standard Time. We'll be doing a new strategy today. You see I was in a trade earlier. I've just been messing around with this new strategy. Trade one micro contract today, just one. And my reason for doing this is if it works out today, tomorrow I'm going to start trading the NQ. I want today to be last day on the micro contracts, but I want to make sure what I got in mind works. What I got in mind is perfect trades. Number one. Number two, I'm going to trade according to TopStep's drawdown rules, which is $1,000 daily max drawdowns. All they allow that. So if you trade one contract, one big boy NQ, that means they put a 50-point stop loss on that contract. So I'm going to enter the market with one contract with a 50-point stop loss on a micro. If I hit it, if I get a drawdown that hits that, I am done for today. I'm not trading until tomorrow. Okay, I'm looking for try to get better timed entries. I'm going to be paying real close attention to what the Magnificent Seven are doing, which, as you can see, have been trending up pretty much all morning, all evening, and starting about midnight last night, the NQ started trending up. Right now we have a gap of 0.75% gap up. So I'm going to play that gap this morning if it holds up going in to the market at 8:30. I'm looking for the 7:30 news dump. I will play that too as well. So get back to my rules. Here's what I got on my trades. I'm going to trade with a 50-point stop loss. However, once the trade goes my way 10 points, it's going to pull my stop loss up to break even plus 1 tick. That way my commissions are covered. Then it's going to trail after that. I know that's a real shallow tick, but I'm looking for that one good trade each day. I have a target in mind of 25 points, which would be $500 on the NQ, which I think is a good target, reasonable target. So that's what I'm looking for. Try to get 25 points in a day. I'm going in with a big stop loss and going in with TopStep's stop loss, basically. And we're looking for 25 points. That doesn't mean I'm going to get out of a trade. After I've achieved 25 points, it's going to auto trail at that 10 point. When it brings me up to break even plus 1 tick, it's going to auto trail point for point for point after that. So I'll stay in as long as that auto trail is not hit. Second thing, when the chart, I'm allowed to trade up to 5 contracts on a 50K account. That doesn't mean I'm going to trade 5. I'm going in with 1. But if the chart says it looks like it's a good opportunity to throw another one on, I'm going to throw another one on. So we're going to try and get all the practice today. So that's what we're looking for today. Right now, we are kind of just meandering around. We need to see if we're going to make new highs. I'm going to be looking for a pullback, and I'm going to be looking specifically at D7. I want to get in the direction that they're moving. Right now they're moving up, but it's coming too close to the news dump, 7:30 news dump. I don't know if we got one today or not, but I'm not. If we got one and it's volatile, I'm going to trade that. You know how I like to trade those news dumps. And we will see. We're just going to see. So I'm just going to pause this recording until after 7:30, which is about 20 minutes from now, or until 7:30. We're coming up on the news dump. All right, we're coming up on 7:30. We're getting a good pullback. Looking at the 7. They're pulling back. They've come to the 20 EMA here. I'm expecting a bounce off of that, but I'm going to wait. I'm looking for perfect trades today. I'm looking to be involved in whatever direction them guys are going. But we'll see what this news dump does. If it goes parabolic, I'm jumping in. Just to remind you, my stop loss is 50 points on the initial entry. Once the price moves 10 points in my direction, it pulls me up to break even, plus a tick, and then auto trails by point for point after that. Doesn't look like there's too much activity. Well, there we go. So let's see. Start to bounce around. So it doesn't look like there's anything to get involved with. There it is. That's confirmation. So I'm in. Now this one I'll be closing out after it hits my 10 point. Gets into the money 10 points. And the reason is it's going to come up on here. And as you can see, it's been bouncing off of that. So I don't want to assume that it's just going to keep going up. It may just bounce around this. So I'm just going to collect 10 points if possible. as you see, my analysis was right, but my timing was horrible, and I just took way too much heat on that one. So I got out first opportunity with a little small profit. So we're just going to continue to watch the market and see if we can find another time to get in, and hopefully I will have a better entry point the next time. Let's just talk for a minute about what just happened. I took way too much heat. I got in way over here, and it went way down here. But I was still counting on our gap, morning gap, to play out, and it did. Now, and I still think at some point it's going to be a trend up day today. However, we see what I didn't get right was this double top over here. Seeing that double top, I should have considered my range box that Super Trend creates for me, and been better to stick my order halfway in there, and that would have put me a good 20 points below my original entry, and I would have done a lot better. So these are some things I'm learning. So you notice the gap up didn't put, it doesn't work every day. So it went up, made a triple top, and now it's coming down. What I have to determine now is where do I want to get involved in. It's still 0.5% up this morning. I'm still expecting a trend day up, but I have to wait for the market to want to. I'm not looking for shorts this morning at all. So what I am looking for is the market to turn around, and it's probably going to do it here off of this point. But I'm going to wait. It's 20 to 9. I'm going to wait till 9 o'clock. I'm just going to walk away. I'm going to walk away because I need to not be staring at this. Give the market some time to shake out, see what's going to happen. It may come down to this value area extreme low here, which is 2 standard deviations. If it does that, this is the morning open. If it crosses below that, then obviously the market's changing directions for some unknown reason. So I have to let all this shake out before I figure out what's going on here. I think I kind of got lucky getting out like I did. On one hand, on the other hand, my analysis was correct. I was banking on the trend up all morning for it to continue at least a little bit, which it did. And I could have got out where I set my original stop at, but I wasn't playing around because of all the heat I had taken. So I will be back around 9-ish, 20 minutes from now, so I'm just going to stop recording. Alright, we're coming up on 9 a.m. We're making higher lows. Looking at the 7. Got me a little wedge made up here. Waiting to see if it breaks this way. If it breaks this way, I'm getting back in. We will see. Well, I am day done. I hit my goal. That would have been 570 if the big boys. So tomorrow, trading big boys. Today, I'm day done. Stick with the plan.